Good morning, I'm Adrienne from Act Now Creative. This is the Home Support Service, Action Segment 1, Washing. You've heard of Farm to Fork, so now let's talk about wearing, washing and sorting. So whether you're a one-person household or whether you're a household of 10, this has to be done. Now, whether you outsource it, so there are lots of issues around whether or not the people that you send it to can still do it, or whether or not it's being done in the home, there need to be conversations about how this is going to continue, because eventually it's going to grow and grow and grow. Think about our key workers, and which are in the NHS and in the caring professions. They're predominantly women. I mean, there are lots of men as well, but we do know that predominantly the caring professions are full of women. And those women are going to be on the front line for very long hours in the day. So who in the home is going to support and help with all of this? Is everybody who can be upskilled in order to use machines and everything else that you do in order to wear, wash and sort? Are your manuals there? Have you got online manuals? How are we going to keep this going whilst we're all using our homes much more? So that's Action Segment 1, Washing. Please post comments, ideas, please make them relevant, helpful and useful to others and positive. And yeah, this is the first thing to be thinking about. It's a large part of our home support service and somebody needs to keep on top of it. I hope you're all safe and I'll see you tomorrow for Action Segment 2. Bye for now.